I'm gonna be using your car.
Seriously? Oh, come on!
Sit on it.
No, honey, I just watch the local channels. I don't need more than that.
Hello.
Come in, come in.
Thanks.
You must be Michael.
Yeah.
You know, I used to have 3 secretaries. Now I have to make my own coffee and give myself a happy ending. See, the ships are coming in, but the walls will hold us.
Nelson in Naples.
Pluto? I said Mars, you cocksucker!
Shoulder of Orion. 2.
Devin Weston said you were a fan.
Huge fan.
Tell me, Michael, Devin Weston, does he want you to bump me off?
No, not at all. He said you were retiring but might need some help on a movie.
Only assholes retire, Michael. Him and my son, they want to put me out to pasture so they can turn this place into condos or a theme park or something.
But this place is a dream factory.
Well, maybe they have different dreams. Some days, I don't blame them. You know, they always say, never work with children or animals. Well, I want to add to that list. Never work with directors or actors. This picture is gonna kill me.
All right. So what's it about?
It's perfect. Set in Liberty City. Meltdown. It's all being shot on green screen right out back there. We take a look at the financial crisis, and then we boil it all down into a really simplistic battle between 2 yuppies. With lots of training montages.
So what's the problem?
Milton McElroy. I cast him in the second lead because he's cheap. 0 talent, incidentally. Well, he's got this new agent, Rocco Pelosi. He's been hassling us about renegotiating the deal. So now, he's holding up shooting until he gets paid.
That sounds problematic.
It would be if the director wanted to shoot. Anton Baudelaire. Ever heard of him? That doesn't surprise me. Now he's having a mental breakdown, pissing all over himself who knows where.
All right. Looks like you got yourself that new assistant. But no happy endings.
I love you already.
Solomon. I'm just doing that thing.
Good, good. Now, I realized in my excitement, I forgot some details.
Yeah, it seemed obvious. You want this Pelosi guy clipped.
No, God, no. Is that an option? No, no. Bad idea, bad idea. No clipping anyone. Just teach him some manners. He's also in my director's ear as well, if you'd believe it. So teach this punk a lesson and bring the talent back to set. Ideally, in a more collaborative mood.
I'll see what I can do. They all gonna be at the club?
I'm told it isn't a club so much as a racket. And Milton are supposed to be there, and Pelosi's on the way to pick them up. He's taking them to his lawyer to sign the contracts. So if he hears there's someone from the studio coming, he'll get him out fast.
All right. I'll go in quiet. See you on the set, boss.
Like this space. It's gonna be an EDM paradise. There's gonna be sparklers stuck in bottles, implants, tramp stamps, all the real shit. That's Pelosi Entertainment. Now give me a minute here. Just a minute. Gotta go grab something inside. Johnny, we nearly got the club. We're finally a go. Now you take care of these guys. No cold feet. Okay? Let's go.
It's hard to tell with these mob guys, you know. I don't know if he actually wants to turn it into a club. Or, you know, burn it down and claim the insurance company. You've seen the movies, right? It's the kind of scam they run.
I got faith in you. Really do. I fix concrete, pal. Make moves. Get me?
Day trip's over, gentlemen. You're going back to set.
You get lost, Wrinkles?
Who's this jackass? Hey, you!
Oh, turns out these guys are in love with their contract. So they'll be going back to the set with me.
Can you believe this fucking clown? No! This guy's all mine!
Oh.
Who is this guy?
All right, spray tan. We're gonna make a new deal. You leave my people alone, and I don't toss you off this roof.
Alright, yeah. okay? Sure, man, sure.
All right. Let's get back to the lot.
Just hold on.
Look, you can bully him, but you can't bully talent, buddy. We are not shooting until I get a new deal.
Can't bully talent? Just watch me. You're gonna be a good boy when I'm done.
I don't know who you think you are. Just jumped up to studio security?
I ain't security. I'm Solomon's assistant.
If you give me a rock, I'll do any picture you want.
Whoa! Feel that turbulence? You know, I'm really not very good at flying these things. These things can drop in a second! Look! Hey! Help! Enough! Enough! All right, I'll do the shitty movie for the shitty money. I'll do anything you want. I'll blow you. And just stop! Okay. See? That wasn't so hard. Now let's get you back to work. Hey, Milton.
What?
I think you owe an apology to Mr. Richards.
Would I being paid? No, you should apologize to me. A brutal honesty, bud. You're not that good. It feels phoned in. You're lucky you're working at all. You're kidding me, right? I am an artist, dude.
You're apologizing. When you see Solomon, you say, "Sorry for the misunderstanding, sir," and you will always appreciate the opportunity he's given you. Now, where am I putting this thing down?
When Devin Weston came to do a studio visit, he used the empty water tank.
All right, then we'll do the same.
Right there. The water tank turned parking lot.
Setting it down.
Solomon's office. Come on.
Look, I'm feeling a little keyed up. How about I call my guy, go on a little jolly, then call Solomon from wherever I wake up?
What a wonderful surprise. Anton, my boy. You're an artist, I know that. And this story is the best kind of art. A simplistic, cliche-ridden pile of dross that you will turn into magic. Get a grip. I love ya.
So, Solomon, Milton here has a little something he wants to say to you. Say it.
I just want to say that I'm sorry for any misunderstanding, sir. And I appreciate all the opportunities that you've given me.
Of course, of course. Michael, what can I say? You're a natural. I love you.
You're too kind.
No, I mean it. I don't mean to presume. But would it be okay if I gave you a shout? This shoot seems cursed for some reason or another. I need an associate producer.
I'd love that.
We'll talk soon. I gotta go.
Oh, hell yeah. Whew. Ah! Hell yeah.
you? Well, I just got my 3rd-degree black belt,
So he's like a totally important filmmaker.
Hello, Dr. Isaiah Friedlander speaking.
Hey, Doc, it's me.
Michael, how are you?
Not good, Doc. Not good at all.
Well, we spent a lot of time over the years discussing how negative actions lead to negative thoughts as much as the reverse. Because of the compounding of your classical low self-esteem with your assorted sexual hang-ups, the desperate search for the easy answer in life, and your profound narcissism, reality will have a habit of handing you a repeated kicking. Anyway, what's up?
Hell, Doc, when you put it like that, I'm afraid I ain't got much hope.
Have you been acting out again, Michael?
I've been a mixed bag, Doc.
What about the bad, Michael? Tell me.
Okay, well, things are... I gotta tell you, Doc, they're awful. I'm making bad decisions here. And other people are picking up the tab for it. My family left me. They won't even take my phone calls. But I did meet this guy, Solomon Richards. You might have heard of him. Richards and Majestic? Yeah, we're doing some work together. In the movies. Can you fucking believe that? I'm a movie producer.
Well, I'm glad to hear things are looking up. But you shouldn't look for validation outside of yourself. Validation isn't a label. It comes from within. Any other violent outburst, Michael?
Sometimes I'm fine, Doc, and sometimes I'm a fucking maniac. It's like I'm two different people. You know, I don't like either one of them.
I think split personality is the least of your problems. You're deranged.
There's a part of me, Doc, I just can't seem to control.
What about your sexual problems, Michael?
Well, you know, I've been a good boy in that regard. I'm making real progress, Doc.
We are making progress, Michael. You're finally listening to me. Great.
So, hey, you know, as you can see, I'm kind of doing better. You know, not perfect, mind you, but better.
You know, therapy can really help you, Michael, which is why you should be really pleased with what you're doing. But I'm gonna have to stop you there. Oh, and there is one thing. Phone sessions are a little more expensive, obviously.
Obviously.
But so fulfilling. Let's speak again soon.
I'm having an okay vacation, but you can't smoke anywhere.
What's going on?
You're gonna dress up as traffic cops, and you're gonna rob two trust fund kids that I know and dislike intensely.
Why?
We can get a good price for the vehicles in Asia. Look, complete the work, you'll all be well paid.
You're late, sugar tits.
Yep. So what's going on?
You finally get to realize your childhood dream and dress up as a cop.
Mr. Weston's research team suggests the two boys like to ride on the Sonora Freeway.
Sounds manageable.
Hey, you two get going.
Ooh, let's go, T.
Dog, I don't know if this shit is for me, homie. My life's already way the fuck out of control.
All right, look. I'm a Darwinist, brother, all right? Some prosper and some struggle. Now, are you out of your goddamn mind? This is your lucky break. Choose. Now, are you gonna do this, or have you simply found your level in life?
I guess we'll find out.
Yeah, I guess we will, homie.
I'm nearly with these dudes, man. You guys comfortable on your end?
Yeah, I guess. We look pretty ridiculous.
All right, man. Look, I'll see you soon.
Yeah. We'll pick you up coming through Grapeseed. Get the drivers there and get them going at speed.
I'm telling you, 2.7 millimeters. Who the fuck does 2.7?
How about we see which one of you two is for real? So get in your cars and let's see if they move as fast as your mouth.
Ooh, the fool wants to race us. We were just getting out of here anyway. All right.
Hey, we coming up now, man. Be there in a few seconds.
Got it. Whatever. Here they come.
I'll tell you about that later.
They're too far ahead. We gotta catch up to them if we want them to stop. This one's on the wrong side of the road. I'll stay on him. Now come if you can handle it. They don't look like they're stopping. We gotta get closer.
Stay on them, T. They'll stop eventually.
Good things come to those who wait.
As long as we pull this off.
Let's do this! Let's get them! We're driving into Polito Bay. Traffic might slow them down.
Our patience will be rewarded. Stay with them.
You know, I've driven around the whole of southern San Andreas before they stop. Frank's still on them. The dickheads probably want him to stop and take the heat. Am I gaining on them, or is that my imagination? Move aside, Ranger. We're doing police business. San Andreas Highway Patrol, stop your vehicle. Find that safe place to stop and pull over. They're slowing down. This looks like our shot.
It's about time.
Side of the road. There. Pull over to the side of the road. Pull it over. Now. Give me your foot. Now come to a stop on the bridge. We got him.
Okay.
Whoa, hey, stay in the car there, homeboy. I'll deal with you later.
Yeah, fuck you too.
You know how fast you were going?
Gee, I don't know, officer. I try to keep it under the limit.
Well, you and your boys look like you were drag racing from where we were sitting there, so why don't you get yourself out of the car? Come on.
Officer,
Officer,
is this entirely necessary?
Yes, it is. Get on. Come on. Hands on the car. Let's go. Come on.
Get out of the fucking car.
Hey!
Hey!
What are you doing?
Fucking car.
All right, we got to make sure.
Get out of the fucking car, you pint-sized prick!
You little shit! Get the fuck out of here! Gone!
Man, I'm sick of driving so slow staying with these fools. Can we have a real race?
Oh, you talk a good game. Okay, just don't scratch the cars.
Speak.
Ah, the lady from before. Devon's assistant. Good to be working with you.
It's Molly Schultz, Senior Vice President and General Counsel to Mr. Weston's holding company. And if you think it's good to be working with common thieves, well, you're very mistaken. Have you got the cars?
Wow, the whole resume. Yeah, we got the cars.
Bring them to Hayes Auto on Little Bighorn in South Los Santos. Mr. Weston and I will meet you there.
Hey, just spoke to Devon's man-woman lawyer person. I'll be waiting at Hayes Auto in South LS for you idiots to show up.
Yeah, right, fool!
Hey, Frank.
Yeah.
What'd I tell you, bro? These cars. This is an opportunity.
Yeah, if you say so. You know what, right before I met you, I was boosting rides and racing. It feels like it come full circle to me.
Come on.
No, I'm serious. If you hadn't got me fired from my repo job, this is exactly the kind of shit I be doing. So thanks, dawg. After all the crap we've been through, man, you got me right back where I'll be at anyway.
Ha ha! The only thing to figure out now is which one of you is getting the silver medal, right? Hey, look, Devon Weston, he ain't like anyone you worked for before.
Man, he runs his mouth, wants me to boost cars, and most likely gonna be paying me a fraction of what they worth. It don't sound that different, to be honest.
You must know who this guy is. Look him up. He's the real deal. I've seen his house. He can make things happen.
So, he like, to you, what you were to me. I see your house, I think this dude can take me places.
Yeah, maybe. Something like that.
The lead horse always burns out before the end.
Like, how am I gonna beat your ass in this race? Don't worry, I'm taking care of that.
I mean, is it just a smell of green? Or is there some other thing with this guy and you? You know, feels funky.
Hey, I'm just trying to do what's best for Frank. You know, help him make the best of the chances he's given.
Hey, if it's about the girl, I saw her first.
Don't get too creepy, all right? She's a professional woman who's doing a job. Leave it at that.
No sexual harassment in the workplace, T. Not on my watch. I'm serious. Both of you, back off her.
Gentlemen, I love you all. Oh, God, this is gonna be fantastic. One kid and two old creeps. Who the fuck would have thought it?
Gentlemen, move the vehicles.
Hey, gimme 5, 5, and 5. Oh, hey, chest kiss, homie. Boom!
Dawg, come on, man. You got the fucking paper?
Abso-fucking-lutely. Look, you finish the job, you get the paper. But the order was for 5 cars. If I'm not mistaken, that's only 2. Just give me the fucking money now! Oh, I'm so scared. I really, really am. But you know what? I'm a payment on completion of work type of guy. You don't like the job? Take a fucking walk.
Hey, come on, man. Hold on. So what's next, man?
Well, it's the Z-type. Chad Mulligan.
Lay it on him, kid.
Mulligan's a record producer. He's going through a messy divorce. He's hiding his valuable assets, including the car, so that makes it complicated. He'll clock any ground surveillance we run. All we've got to go on is that the car's in a lockup in Howick.
So we just go house to house?
Not quite. We have access to an LSPD helicopter. The computer on board can ID pedestrians from a chip in their driver's license. Find Mulligan in Howick, follow him to the lockup, someone on the ground collects the car.
All right, so who does what?
You're
Salam
not
alaikum,
Phillips, you're in the chopper, Clinton, you're on the ground.
Yeah, I don't understand the deal between you two.
Yeah, well, I don't understand the deal between you two either. But you know what? Life is just one long mystery. Bye-bye, gentlemen, and stay spiritual. Oh, and Michael, I'll be in touch about your friend, Solomon.
All right, good.
तो आलंदे आवाज शर रही है ना बारी
Getting wild, she.
देखिए यार जोड़े डरते तो शीशे आवाज से पचबे के नहीं है ना
Someone had to watch the whip. What the hell?
Okay, okay. And what about restraints and handcuffs and all that good stuff? Y'all got that too?
What do you do, family?
Goody.
Hi, welcome.
Spent a lot of money with the inspector. A sale online, you say?
You see anything you like?
Thank you, honey boo. You knew traffic was gonna be bad. Why didn't you plan ahead of time?
All yours.
Yo, homeboy. You falling through this week, right?
Nice to see you, darling.
Yo, I'm tripping right now, fam.
So I dyed my hair blonde.
I hear you, darling.
Don't be no wise ass punk. Now give me that.
Ah! Can't be! Don't nobody work for a living no more! I got it out enough for a sword.
My car, asshole!
Time was.
That was your fault. I'm calling the police. That asshole just robbed me.
Think you're a tough guy? Come on then!
You punk ass bitch is done now.
Motherfucker!
My good deed for the day. Incredible, dude. You should keep some of that for yourself.
It is what it is. You don't need me. I really need a snack. All I've eaten today is romaine lettuce.
It feels like this shift is never going to end. There you go. Stay cool.
That's dumb.
Ever heard of Jackson Skinner? He's head of product development at Facade.
Man, we must read different magazines.
And the bastard made a fortune selling customer data to the highest bidder from Moscow to Tehran. He's handing it to the cyber terrorists on a fucking silver platter.
Okay, dog, chill. Shit, chill. I got you, man. What's the play?
I'm reliably informed that he has a weakness for working girls. There's a regular he likes to...
Oh, shit. Damn, that must be my girl.
Hi there, beautiful. You want to party with me?
Not today, honey. I'm waiting for someone.
Hey, what up, girl? You won't get down?
Not today, honey. I'm waiting for someone.
Whatever. You ain't nothing. I'm out of here.
Hey, baby, what can I get for $10?
You can get the bus home and jerk off thinking about me. Get the fuck out of here.
baby. You miss me?
I was starting to think you weren't coming.
Oh, I always come.
Aw, you such a smooth talker. What's for me?
So how's things?
My landlord kicked me out, and I ain't received a cent from any of my baby's daddies in like 3 months now.
Check this out. I just made number 5 on the Tech 100.
Wow, that's great, honey.
The 5th best whore. It's a disgrace. That's what it is. I play to win. That's my thing. Fuck 5th, idiot.
I'm sorry, honey.
You haven't told me. Have you?
Of course not, honey.
Good. Just keep your mouth shut and that pretty little daughter of yours gets to keep her smile. Everyone's happy. Oh, I'm gonna demean you like the dirty slut you are.
You got the money?
Have I got the money? Who do you think you're talking to? I got 4 houses. I own a fucking island, bitch.
Okay, okay. Take it easy. Just relax. I know how you like it. Real dignified. Oh, yeah, baby. You're so big.
Oh, say it like you mean it for once.
Yeah.
You know, I don't even feel bad about it.
Hey man, I wiped that software for you.
Ah, excellent news. I'll speak to you soon.
What's new with you? You know you need to stop.
What are you talking about? The fuck? Only inch.
Put up your hands and stand where I can see you.
All right, you got me, homie. All right, you know how to work that face recognition shit already?
Well, figure it out. Okay, booting up. You can use the sticks to move the camera. Zoom in and out. It'll pick up pedestrians carrying the 2012 SA state license. If you target them, the scanner accesses the database and pulls their record. Why don't we see if this thing picks up my man on the ground? Franklin. Man, fuck that. I got a high ass, homie. One time I'll pick a brother up for any old shit.
You want me to take it out on the LSPD representative sitting beside me?
Man, just get to Howard. Dude we looking for is down that way. I'll follow in the car.
Howard! You heard the man. Wherever you want to go. You arrested my African-American friend for a minor infraction? The LSPD disgusts me! Well, it's not me. I mean, there's some bad apples in the department, but any accusation of a racist culture, you want to bullshit me? You can bullshit the freeway! We do community outreach. We have minority quotas. Yeah, your nice dick's got a minority quota. I should take... Look, please. We come so far in the last 2 decades. Oh, you're lucky I can't use this thing with one hand and fly with the other. Come in, Franklin. We're in position over Howick Avenue. What's the name of the suspect?
The dude's name is Chad Mulligan. All right?
Chad Mulligan. Roger that. Huh? Car owner is still out there. 2 guys on a rooftop going at it. A lady downstairs in the bikini. Let's see if we can connect the dots. Not our suspect. Come in, Franklin. Suspect's not in the area. I repeat, suspect not found in the area.
All right. He might be a couple blocks east of there.
Roger that. We ain't found him yet. Look at these 2 going at it. Nothing like a middle-aged throat fuck in a dingy back alley to prove romance ain't dead. Merely arrested. We ain't after this one. Would you look at that couple? Finally, some normal, adjusted, healthy people and... Come in, Franklin. We've got a positive ID on the suspect. I repeat, we have visual on Chad Mulligan. No vehicle in sight.
All right, look, cool. We looking for his lockup, dog, all right? Stay on him and look out.
Roger that. We have lost sight of the suspect. Might have to send Pilot Boy down to draw him out.
Hold on, wait. He should come out from behind that building.
Suspect's on foot.
Okay, I see the chopper. I ain't far away.
Suspect stopped walking. Appears to be accessing a small garage.
All right, this is it. I'm gonna get the car.
Hey, motherfucker! Oh, shit! Oh, fuck! What happened?
Hey, look, just stay on him, man, and let me know where he is. Suspect sighted going south on Dutch Drive. Suspect
Suspect going west down alley toward El Rancho. Hey, where is he, man? Car going north on El Rancho. Woo, woo, woo. All units be advised, we have a possible joyrider heading west on Howick in a black Z-Type. Hey, man, you getting other cops on this shit? Nah, homie. I'd appreciate the authenticity. Oh, okay. Well, I fucking don't.
Company 3, we have reports of dangerous driving in your sector.
This is Chopper Unit 3. Reports are greatly exaggerated. Over. Your boy Chad very nearly totaled the score. Oh, Chad, that was close. All right, I see him. I'm moving in. I'm gonna show him how to try that thing. Hey, where this fucking asshole at? Suspect back on Del Perro, heading west. Frank, you gotta speed this up. He's getting away. Where is he? Reckless driver sighted crossing Dorset Drive. Suspect sighted near the Life Invader offices. He's turned off Del Perro, down an alleyway. Hey, you my eyes, right? Lost sight of suspect near a parking garage. Request ground units to investigate. Pilot boy, take us down. I need to see inside the building. Slow and steady. This camera's giving me a little air sickness. I get violent when I'm queasy. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'll keep her steady. All garage exits clear. Suspect is in the building. I can't see him. Need some help here, flyboy. Where is he? You can toggle to thermal vision if you think that would help. Oh! Well, you might have just earned yourself a reprieve. You know, I think I'm developing feelings for you. Okay. I'm seeing things a little more clearly. Hey, can y'all still see me? I'm in the middle of the garage, man, right here. I've got you. Hey, you reading other heat signatures on this level? Near side of the garage, on my left, there's a man in a car. This better be him. This better be the guy.
Hey, that's the motherfucker. Thank you, Trevor Phillips.
I know you think this car might be...
Whoa! Suspect down! Fine work, ground unit.
Mr. Clinton.
Hey, Molly, right? I got that car for y'all.
The Z-Type? Mr. Weston will be glad you caught us. He wanted to see it before we took off. We're on the way to his personal hangar at Los Santos International. I'll tell them to expect you at the gate.
All right. Hey, I'm delivering the ride to Los Santos International.
Hey, is the lady gonna be there? Or just a dick who ain't paying us till we get all the cars?
Shit, I think they both gonna be there, dawg. Devin and Molly.
Say hello from me to Molly.
Man, I ain't hitting on nobody for you, man. Least of all, her.
Come on, why not? It's about time I settled down.
Shit, man, you need like a lion tamer or some shit. This girl, man, she got balls, dawg, but she needs some serious stones to handle your ass.
Just say hello.
Man, I ain't gonna be a part of that.
After everything I've done for you, you are just like Michael.
Man, it's hard driving with you up there watching me, dog. I get self-conscious and shit. Hey, I'm supposed to meet Devin Weston here.
Mr. Weston's hangar's up there on the left.
Oh, there she is. You know, if this beauty was a woman, I'd have to break my 20 and under rule.
Man, I'll just stick to driving, all right?
Hey, tell me something. You know how many of these things they made?
Shit, like 10?
No, not like 10, man. Exactly 10.
Oh, wow, man. You one of them type of dudes, huh?
Tell you something. How'd you like to drive a car like this one day, man? For real.
Like this? Or this?
Oh, man, right back at me, homie. Really nice. Hey, you know something? You're not like those, snowbird retiree pals of yours. You are sharp, man.
Man, I'm just looking for a paycheck for my services.
No, don't worry. It'll come. That'll come. But right now, it is life lesson time, pal. You have got to wake up to what's real in this situation, bro. Take me, right? I am opportunity. I'm security. I'm fast cars, blow jobs. I got the world on a plate. Those two clowns, oh man, they are the worst kind of disaster that can ever come down. They are a full core meltdown, and you're just standing there soaking up major radiation. You have got to take stock, man. Make that call before it's too late.
Yeah, all right, man. I will.
Before it's too late, man.
Yeah.
Just take any car and go!
Where can I take you?
Highway.
That's the ride, my man.
So who the fuck don't you like today?
Guy's called Isaac Penny, ruthless vulture capitalist, about to take a controlling interest in Vapid Motor Company and sell thousands of workers down the river. Penny's one of those tight-fisted billionaires, rides the same bus to and from work.
Hey, sorry I'm late. It's my first day on the job. Damn, would it kill you people to crack a smile? Hey, get in, we're running late.
Well, you're late.
That'll be 150. Mr. Penny, ain't it?
Bear hike. Forget about it. Spendthrifts.
Hey!
Blame it on the city!
Attention passengers, please hold on to your fucking seats.
Stop the bus, you...
Just business shit, you know how it is.
That is messed up. Shit! That shit take me up.
Green light?
Good to go. Look out the way!
Whoa! What the? Holy shit!
मर्ची की वीडियो वास्ते हमें चो खुदा हाफिज़।